Is it recording?
Yes.
Is it recording? What's up, guys?
What's crack-a-lack?
No, get out. You're not in this. Oh, so you have to include that in the video. What's up, YouTube? What?
Stop. We have to redo it.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog.
No, she's more conscious. Like,
Hi guys.
It uses her laying in bed.
Welcome.
And in this video,
and in this
we're
video,
going to be
we are
blindfolding
blindfolding Nathan,
and he's going to be cooking something.
Let's get started.
There are a lot of instances in this video where we're super duper mean to Nathan or each other, but I just wanted to explain it's kind of like our group's humor to be super duper mean to each other, but we all know it's a joke. No one takes it to heart, even though it may look like that. So here are some examples of that.
Oh! Toxic, you're such a bad friend. Like, I literally... Alyssa, why'd you invite Nathan? I don't like you, get off.
That was all Ella. She started it.
No, I was just laughing.
Oh! Then stop. You're making fun of Ella for something she can't control. Do you know how toxic
you know
that
what?
is?
Messed up! You messed up!
Is it because she's a female? And
Yes.
It's just like you're just trying to take all of her.
Yes.
She's literally crying right now.
You're lame. Made it lame. Asked if you wanted.
Again, I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that we weren't being actually mean to each other.
So we have the star of the show here. Well, it's actually us. But we have Alyssa here finally, even though we were pretending to be here. Oh, I don't like you, get off. We love each other. It's okay, she has her boyfriend.
True. Actually, no, I don't.
Oh, they broke up.
Already? We broke up, guys.
Wait,
Real, not fake.
No, yeah. Hey guys, so I've been. Nope, not yet. Go back.
Can someone give me my phone?
Hey guys, so we actually had a really sad video today.
Heaven gained a new angel.
I don't know if he's going to heaven.
I wouldn't say angel, but a demon.
I wouldn't say he's going to heaven either. Like, I wish he'd just go away
I miss
sometimes.
his dancing. And
I don't. Alright guys, let's get on with this video.
oh God!
Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video.
Where we blindfold our friend and make him bake.
Yeah! Let's pin it back away from him. He's not.
Yeah.
So we're going to be giving him instructions on how to bake, and he's going to do it.
Ow.
You also have eggs, so you have to be careful with your workstation.
Where are the eggs?
You're gonna have to find it.
Is everything closed though? Like liquid?
Everything is
closed. Okay, so now I have to find the box and
That's
open
not
it,
it.
and
That's not the box.
Someone give me a knife.
no. Look at the check sound. Okay, there's scissors somewhere on the table if you.
Oh, he's just going at it.
Okay. Okay.
He's a little eager today.
Should we do water next?
Oh yeah, do water.
Okay, so somewhere on the table is a water bottle.
It feels like oil, no, that's oil. Water.
Good job.
Okay.
So there's also so you put 1 cup.
This is a cup, yes.
Oh, cup.
Sounds like it's peeing.
Okay, is that a full
That was kind
cup?
of good.
Okay. Okay, now you have to put the cap back on the bottle.
Bro, are you?
You have to put the cap back.
The eggs are rolling away.
You have to put the cap back on the bottle.
Where's the cap?
It's right in front of you. It's right in front of the bottle. It's right in front of you. You can't find it. It's literally right in front of you. How can you not? It's right there. Dude. This is so embarrassing.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Dude, it's right there. It's right there. Dude,
I don't know where there
do it
is.
again. Do it again.
Find it.
It's right there.
right there.
Nathan.
Nathan.
In front of
miss
it.
it every
It's in front of the bottle.
No, like
It's in front of the bottle.
Where's the camera?
Not on the
No,
bottle.
like-
Oh my God.
I thought you meant in front of me. Okay.
He's so stupid.
We sit in front of the bottle. Okay, now you gotta find.
Okay.
You gotta find the oil and then the 1/2 cup. Okay, here I moved it. Sorry.
That's unsanitary.
Dude, you keep knocking everything.
I don't know where.
You have to go look.
Boy. Those are eggs.
Nathan, literally, it's right in front of the bottle. God, how did he miss
Bro!
He like actually missed. That, okay. You gotta put a 1/2 cup of oil, which is that 1/2 cup. Jesus. Oh my God.
He's making it unsanitary.
Oh my God.
Oh, he should have washed his hands. Okay.
This is going to be an oil.
Now you gotta put the cap back on.
Where-
I'm so confused.
Can someone...
Okay.
Can you direct me towards where the cap is?
It's in front of it.
Nathan
Right
in front. Third tries to
You're getting oil everywhere.
Yeah.
It's right there.
It's right where? It's right in front of the ball.
Right, dude.
in front. That's
There
oh.
Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Okay, tell me.
Okay. So now you have to crack 3 eggs.
Got
But
it.
before you do that,
I know how to do
take
that.
2 steps back.
I can do
Take
that.
2 steps back.
I got this. I got this.
Okay.
Oh, that actually wasn't bad.
Oh god.
Oh.
That's okay.
Oh, you were getting egg everywhere. Nathan.
One-handed.
Oh, this one's a little bit risky.
Oh, that's actually kind of You got like everything on his hands. Thank you.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah, me too.
Wait, can I wash my hands first?
Sure.
It's in the blender right now.
Don't stick your hands in the blender or else you're gonna get cut.
Okay, where's the towel? Or off?
You're not gonna use the soap?
I don't know where's the soap?
Oh, the wrong one. Wrong one. There's another one.
Oh, Nathan, you're in the blender.
Okay. I hope it's all off.
It's not.
Okay, there we go.
Find the spatula.
I'm looking!
Keep touching me.
Nathan, stop. You can't yell at us like that.
Nathan.
Nathan, what the
That's so stupid. It's right in front of you. Nathan, it's right in front of you.
Who's there?
Where?
Oh, you just missed it.
You just had
just
it.
touched it. You just touched it again. Dude. Oh my.
There you go.
There you go.
I feel this is gonna be really messy.
It only took you a few minutes.
Don't touch it, please.
You have to Nathan. You just spilled so much. Like I'm not even
my
joking.
Oh my
Like, I'm
god.
not even joking. It's like pretty full, Nathan.
Dude, you need to be careful.
Oh. I have to get bread.
Oh wait, no, we're gonna make him clean up the mess.
Lay down the beat, Ella.
Alright,
freestyle.
you might.
Oh. Hey. Yeah.
Nathan, you gotta get to the other side. There's
Can
so
someone
much.
towel me?
Yeah.
Okay, Nathan, right?
Towel me!
Don't yell.
Nathan is so stupid. Hey. He is not smart.
He ruined it. You're
He
going
is
in
not
circles,
smart.
bro.
He is not smart. He fails French. Hey.
It was-
Yeah. I'm done.
Is he there?
I think I'm done mixing.
No, you're not. Mix a lot more. There's like a lot of chunks, I'm not gonna lie. I keep getting on me.
Luke, if you're watching this, I believe that you were written by a woman.
Luke, if you're watching this, Ella's mine and not yours, so back off. I was here before you.
We
And
all
forks
were.
up.
Even Nathan was here before you.
Yeah. Okay, he's never gonna be a housewife.
I feel bad for Helen Keller.
Especially because he's gay.
Helen Keller did not
She's
exist.
fake, I agree,
She's
but
not-
like...
she-
Her accomplishments are so fake. There's
How-
no.
how-
Yeah.
Whoa.
How
Can
did
you
she?
like back up?
Can
How
you
did you? Have you seen the video of her touching water? She screamed.
Whoa.
How did she write a book if she's blind and deaf?
That's
Yeah,
what I'm saying,
how
she
does
was
know
17.
English? That's weird. That's
That-
weird. That's a
there's
little
no
bit
way
weird. She didn't
What?
exist.
What?
It's a little bit sussy.
Is this where?
Oh my god, go this way.
Oh my.
The wrestlers were leaving the room, and this one wrestler comes up to me. He's like, he pulls a lemon out of his bag. He goes, "Hey, do you want a lemon?" And I'm like, "Sure." So he gives me a lemon, and I still have a lemon in my bag.
Is this
And he
the-
pulled out like 2 more and gave it to my friends. Fun fact.
Towel? Towel.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I'll do it on my own.
I gotta go my own way. What about us? What about everything we've been through? And what about trust? You know I never wanted to hurt you. Well, what about me?
I'm struggling a little bit.
Okay, there's a pan right there, like right next to you.
Left, 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 left. There's 2 pans, and there should be some cupcake liners in those pans. Okay, turn around and go back to where you were before so you're in frame. Yeah.
I hope you know what, if we're ever gonna fight, I'll fight back and I'll win.
Okay. Can someone hand me?
Dude, it's right there.
Where is there? I got them all.
No, you didn't. You're missing 4.
I used to play baseball.
Dude, why is this taking you so long?
I cannot see.
Well,
Stop. I'm unable to see. You can't. Yeah. Okay, there we go. I got them all.
Okay, so now, Nathan. And I'm only gonna let you do a few, or else you're gonna.
I know this. Oh, I know this.
it's like a pooper.
Okay, can you turn the camera like this way? Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Oh, I'll turn my snap apps on.
Wait. Oh, should I put mine on?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a very chunky batter.
You're a chunky batter.
Nathan, what the fuck? Are you being fat phobic right now?
No.
Oh, I'll turn mine on. Hold on.
Okay, are we good? Can you do the rest?
You can do them not blindfolded. You want to see your?
No. That's bright.
You did a really good job, if I'm being completely honest.
you because
It could have gone worse.
Yeah, it could have.
I think the stirring could have been a little bit more controlled.
I thought, I didn't realize it was slanted. I thought it was just one big
Wait,
straight
how much
line.
do I fill it?
Just one whole thing.
So bright.
Okay.
Why do you look like that?
Because you caught me out. You caught me off guard.
Shut up. Shut up. I'm so sick of it, Nathan. I'm so sick of it. You always do this. You're so toxic. You're such a bad friend. Like, I literally... Alyssa, why'd you invite Nathan? Because seriously, I don't know why he's here. We're still recording.
It's so awkward.
I'll
I'll cut it out. I'll cut it out. I'll cut it out.
please.
I'll cut it out.
Actually, wait. This needs to be filmed more. That was all Ella. She started it.
No, I was just laughing.
Oh!
Nathan, stop. You're making fun of Ella for something she can't control. Do you know how
Yeah,
toxic
you know
that
what?
is?
She's enjoying her life
I'm
when
so
she's
sorry.
laughing. So are you just telling her she shouldn't enjoy her life? Is it because she's a female? And
Yes.
It's just like you're just trying to take all of her.
Yes.
She's literally crying right now.
Okay.
Can't believe it.
1 second. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. 1 second.
Oh, wait a minute. You gotta.
Oh!
You gotta put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. We can
Where's
do
the
it.
oven? Oh.
The oven is right there.
Can you
And
open
then
it? Can you open it?
yeah. Okay.
Did he just kick me?
I do.
Okay.
I'm gonna hit you with the tortilla. What's up, guys? Ella here.
What's up, guys? Scarlett here.
What's up, guys? Alyssa here. I love women. Wait, no, I'm not gay, guys. I'd rather shoot myself.
Oh,
than
that's fair.
I'd rather shoot myself than be gay.
That's fair.
Don't take that.
Jack, send me back.
Oh.
You forgot to lock.
I hope you guys find out you're related.
No, it's because me and Scarlett.
I agree.
She's ours.
Oh, that's Luke.
This is lame, bro.
You're
Just
lame.
made it lame by coming.
It's corny, bro.
You're corny.
Oh.
Got him.
I know, right?
Good one, Scarlett. He's 5'2".
Plus 3. 3 is a lot.
I'm literally the same height as Nathan right now.
Yeah. Look at that.
Perspective.
What's perspective? I'm literally taller than him. Oh my god.
Okay, guys. You can't do that. You're gonna have to pay for these tortillas. Okay.
I actually have something really important to say that, excuse me, I was talking and you interrupted me. So we actually came
Wait,
here
did you
not
set a timer?
for, Nathan, can you shut up? We actually
Shut
came here
up.
to make a video about cooking blindfolded. We actually came in here to interrogate Luke.
Yeah.
So Luke, What's your favorite color?
Red.
I don't like to ask.
It's blue, isn't it?
What's your mom's credit card number and the numbers on the back?
And the expiration.
And the
date.
expiration.
And expiration date.
Can't remember off the top of my head.
You just have to send me a picture later.
Okay, I got you.
You look more like lined up. No, this is an interrogation.
Get away from her.
You guys got opposite ends of the.
Why do you deserve Ella more than I do? Because I think
Just
I
ask
deserve
her.
her.
Bro, he fights like so many people about this question.
Were you there when her dad died? No, I was there.
I was there too.
I killed him.
Yeah, so Nathan was even there.
Were you there when she was in her awkward phase and had braces and glasses?
No.
No, but I was there.
No, you weren't there when I had glasses.
That's besides the point.
The fake.
I was there when you had glasses.
Yeah. Were you
I'm
there
so
when she had her Fortnite phase?
You know my graphic design teacher watches my YouTube videos?
Hi, Alyssa's graphic design teacher.
You're gonna have. You should take graphic design.
I probably will.
You're gonna have them. So guys, they're done.
They look perfect because
Okay,
of
we
me.
have to do a little. Okay, so the couple is left,
And
and let me just say, you suck, Luke. Bye.
Bye. I'm the straightest person you'll ever.
I know I be hell, hell, yeah. I know I be hell.